Hello, welcome. Today I'll be showing you on how to save your drawing to PDF file. In order for you to save your drawing to PDF file, what you will do is that after you're done with your work, then you come to plot, you click on this plot, or you press Ctrl P, then you click continue to plot a single sheet. Then after that, you set the paper size of the PDF file that you want. I mean the paper format that you want. Either you want the print to be on A3 paper size when it's going to be printed out, or you want it to be on A0, or you want it to be on A4 paper, or any paper format type that you want. You have to select it here, so that by the time you be setting it to PDF, it's going to be on that paper format. But I'll be using A3 paper format as an example. So the first thing you will do is you come to printer plotter, then you set this to DWG to PDF, and then you let's assume I want to use select out this page. I want the print to be on A3 paper format, so I'll just click on this and then I'll select ISO. I'll select ISO A3. So we have ISO A3 420 by 297 and ISO A3 297 by 420. But I'll select ISO A3 420 by 297. That is on okay. The other one is on portrait. While ISO A3 297 by 420 is on landscape. This is on landscape. Why this? The first one is on portrait. So I'm using the first one since it's on portrait. And you can as well come to drawing the orientation here. You change it to portrait or landscape, any paper format type that you want. If you want it to be on landscape, you click on landscape, and if you want it to be on portrait, you click on portrait. And then the next thing for you to do is, if you want the drawing to be on fit to paper, you click on fit to paper, and then you click on